Hi, I'm Ethan Franson, and for my information systems class, I'm just going to show you guys how to do a RAM upgrade on a Unibody Macbook Pro real quick. So first step is turn the Mac over, of course, get a screwdriver that's going to fit the screws, and then you're going to go in order. I like to do it top, and then go down the side, and then finish from the bottom, just because all the screws are a little bit different sizes. I'll just do that. And honestly, upgrading the RAM on these things is pretty easy. It's not too bad of a process. So if you are trying to get into like information technology or anything like that and wanted to figure some stuff like this out for yourself, it's pretty easy to do. So. Okay, and you're going to lift up the back cover of it, and you see here in the computer that the RAM is located in this section right here. If you are worried about like static electricity frying in your parts or anything like that, you can unhook the battery, which is right here, and you just lift that up, and so now there's no power going towards any of the components in the computer. And then what you're going to want to do, let me show you how to do that. You have these two little slots that you can push apart. And then the RAM right here, it just comes out really easily. You're not going to want to touch any of the gold parts on the RAM, just because that can mess it up. And you just slide it out. And voila. And then if you have any new RAM but that you wanted to upgrade, you're able to just take that RAM, put it back in. You go with the bottom first, make sure that the slot is in the right place so it will go in nice and easily. And after that, what you're going to do, you're not going to screw it up. You're going to put the battery back on. And you're not going to screw it on first. You're just going to want to see if the RAM is there. And on these Macs, it's really easy to do. You just turn on the Mac and hold Command S. And it will take you to a screen like this here. And once it comes down with a kind of a colon and then a /root with a pound symbol, you're gonna type in host info and then press enter, and it's gonna tell you how many gigabytes of RAM is available for it. And right now it says it's 8, and so that just helps you check if the RAM is being read in the computer. And so after that, you're just gonna type halt and then press enter, and then that's going to turn off your computer. And then you're going to go about screwing the screws back in. It's pretty easy. After you finished all that, you're basically done. So let me just put all these screws back on. And that is how you do a basic RAM upgrade on a MacBook Pro Unibody.